welcome to my June video. What a month it's been. Summer is truly here, and with its long, sultry, wistful days, I sometimes get a feeling that nothing around me is real, and in a moment it will all disappear. I want to begin by taking you on a brief visit to a very extraordinary place, the Findhorn Foundation Eco Village. I'm beginning the journey by appreciating this handmade arc sign, of which I have my own design at home. There are so many interesting things to see. I'm just going to give you a little snippet here. These wonderful whisky barrel houses were constructed from giant whisky vats. These homes were the first permanent dwellings to be built here, the prototype being built in 1986. I've had the privilege of looking around one of these houses, and it was absolutely amazing inside, and it was completely round, like being inside a hobbit hole. Just hiding around the back of these wonderful barrel houses is this beautiful permaculture garden. This way of growing is based on mimicking the creation of a productive forest. It was initially a degenerate piece of woodland that now produces food for both humans and wildlife. A forest garden is made up of mainly perennial plants which are useful and are stacked or assembled as they may be found in a forest or woodland. Once it is established, a forest garden requires little or no extra energy input and minimal labour, while still producing harvestable yields. It can be described as being a multi-layered foraging garden. It also creates natural habitat for animals and insects, producing food without tilling, pesticides or fertilisers.
Somehow I just never learned. In the back of the schoolyard, where we used to play hide and seek.
There are no words needed to describe this beautiful forest leading down to the sea. I hope you enjoy the scenery with me.
Always in the dark, you can't
Taking a steady walk back now to the cafe, but I really hope you enjoy looking at some of the beautiful architecture of all these buildings. I could just spend all day walking around and looking at each of these houses. Everything at the cafe is only vegan or vegetarian, but it's all really beautifully made. This French chocolate cake was absolutely delicious. On the way back, we called into the recycling centre and I found some lovely items I thought you might like to see. These had been thrown away and I have bought them from the local shop next door for very little. I absolutely love a good second-hand shop. So there's the Peter Rabbit, these gorgeous Peter Rabbit official mugs that look like new. I absolutely love them. And this is just me all over. I'm going to put this on my dining table with my other vintage items. I have like a woodland themed dining room and I'm going to use it to serve hot dishes on. And finally, this gorgeous little dish. I absolutely love it. It's just beautiful. So I was really pleased with this. Then I got this bread bin, which is like new, which goes with all my other things. I absolutely love this cake serving dish with these leaves and the colours, and the fact it's made in England. That is also going on my dining table when it's had a good clean. You can see it's covered in dirt at the moment still. And I got a lovely Jane Austen book there. This serving dish is the most beautiful colour in the world. This has got to be my favourite colour and I absolutely love it. And I love how it's also called Lupin Petal as the colour. So I just absolutely adore this dish, but it does need a good wash before I use it. And this little dish is handmade at the Findhorn Pottery. So it would have cost quite a bit as well when it was made. I really love it, and I only paid £1 for it at the tip shop. So I also got this deck chair, which I really needed as well. So really enjoying reading the book on my deck chair, and I'm just enjoying all my new items. So I'm going to take you exploring again, a little walk along the Davle Way, although it is really hot today. It's over 25 degrees and there is no air, so we'll have to see how far I get. But I can tell you, having done it, that the scenery was absolutely amazing, and I'm definitely going to be doing more of that walk. As I'm all alone and it's too hot to carry too much recording equipment, this is literally just me and my phone. But I like to think that if you're watching this video, that I'm not alone, that you're on the walk with me and you're enjoying it. And especially this little place, when it was so hot, was just the most wonderful place to come across, and I spent quite a long time here. I'm heading down off the Davaway here towards the river that I could see from the viaduct, and I'm going to go and spend some time in it because it's really hot, even though it's about 8 o'clock in the evening now. However, there are quite a lot of mosquitoes down here, but I just had to pretend they weren't there, and I sat and watched the sun go down for quite a long time, and it was quite a beautiful evening. I won't forget it. I hope you enjoyed my little video for June. Thank you for watching if you've got this far, and I'm going to leave you with a footage I caught of a red squirrel. See if you can spot it. Thank you. Bye.